Yo, so what is going on, everyone of the internet? My name, of course, is Mac, and today we've got Drivecrate November edition, October edition. I know that this one's going to be done for Las Vegas, the track that's coming up. What, this weekend? No, not this weekend. You know what? I forget tracks and I forget the F1 calendar, but we've got a race at some point for Las Vegas. I don't believe it's the last one that just went past, but it could be. I don't know. I always forget the tracks. So without further ado, let's begin. Not that Las Vegas is an amazing track anyway. I don't know why we have so many races in America now, but I suppose it's because F1 is now owned by the Americans. Right, so here we go. Let's get to it. So we've got Las Vegas, the opening card as per usual. Got the content at the back of this. Don't look at that until the end. So let's start off with an F1 camo cap. Very nice, no team branding. It's just the official Formula 1 store. Again, as per, always show it. A very, very nice looking cap. I must admit it's not necessarily my colours, but I can see myself probably wearing it though. It's very nice. So the F1 cap. We have got some sort of box here. Racing knowledge trivia. So we've got a little card game. This is good because obviously we're coming up to Christmas. If you've got family and friends and whatnot, you can play a game of this. Not a bad little selection of cards actually. I don't know how many there is on here. 100, I believe is what it says on the box. Yeah, 100 questions and answers. So we'll do a quick one here. Take off the pile to cover the last bottom bit up, and let's see whether I know my knowledge. Lewis Hamilton makes his debut. I have no idea because I don't care about Hamilton. I'd imagine Singapore 2007. Okay, Australia 2007. I forgot that Australia used to be the first race of the season. One of my favourite tracks as well. In fact, it is my favourite track until they messed about with it a few years back, where they did a particular part just before coming up to Sector 2 towards the chicane that they used to be. It used to be very, very tight, and I believe that they changed it into a swooping curve. I'm not 100% sure, and these are going to take the mick to try and get out of, so let's just put them on the side there and put that on the side there. Right, we also have a DRS enabled metal pin badge. Very nice. I like having these. I love having these in my wrestle crate, which I know that I haven't been recording. I might come back to doing them, but yeah, I have to admit I do like the little pin badges. You're meant to be asleep. Sorry, my pup needs to go for a sleep, and obviously I'm just starting now. We have got some Tootsie Rolls, mini bites. I've never tried a Tootsie Roll. I'd imagine that they're a toffee of some description. She's not happy about this, so I'm going to have to quickly finish this. And we have got, oh, forgot to put the DRS back in there, a circuit sign, which I'm going to have to try and open off camera. Oh. Lunar. Which is a welcome to Las Vegas paddock. That's quite nice actually. I quite like the look of that. Very nice little metal sign. Probably have these in the background of my streaming room. So let's go back and quickly tell you through this whilst Luna's giving me a little bit of a break from her whining. So we've got the Las Vegas paddock sign. We have Tootsie mini rolls, bites, which I haven't tried, so we'll try them and add them in the description whether I like them. The DRS enabled pin badge. Actually, we've got two of these. Oh, wait a second. Oh, they effed up. Oh, Drivecrate, thank you very much for giving me two. Thank you, I suppose. A racing knowledge trivia, which I can put back in the box, and the cap. So again, all of this, 35 quid, including shipping to your house. To get all of this sent to your house. Obviously the F1 cap alone is probably about 20-ish quid. It's a special edition cap as well, so it's not a run-of-the-mill one, you know, that they sell on the website. Obviously they do sell them on the website, but not the run-of-the-mill F1 ones. So as per usual, I hope you guys have seen this, enjoyed, give you a unbiased look at what is inside these crates, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.